man of my dreams, the one who showed me true love, or at least it seems, with brown cocoa skin and curly black hair. It's just the way he looks at me, that gentle loving stare. My feelings can't describe it. Finally, it is happening to me right in front of my face, and I just cannot hide it. Finally, it is happening to me right in front of my face. My feelings can't describe it. Finally, it is happening to me right in front of my face, and I just cannot hide it.
All right, we are here with Ryan. She just finished her second song. She did "Oh Darling" by the Beatles. Is that right?
That's right, yeah.
I gotta say, your two songs were absolutely flawless tonight. Finally, a season, and they had to be the perfect fit for you.
Thank you. I was actually the song I was worried about.
Really well. It went off spectacularly. You've sung these songs before, haven't you?
No, actually,
Oh, come on.
No, seriously, I picked the songs and then I've been singing them in the shower. But like,
that's how I rehearsed last time. I get the lyrics, I tape them up to the shower, and then I belt it out. That's how I practice.
tape them up in the shower. That's a good idea.
But don't do your dance moves in the shower because that's going to be terrible. Exactly. Any particular reason why you picked the two songs that you did?
Well, I wasn't a Beatles fan. I didn't really know Beatles songs, so I was like researching, and that was the only one that I even like remotely wanted to do.
So you basically threw a dart at the board and like you picked whatever came up.
I was listening to him, and it was the only one that was kind of in my range. I'm a girl, so it's hard.
Now, there was a lot of diversity in the themes tonight. Beatles and dance songs, and I think that some people might have been worried about that. Did you feel intimidated, worried, nervous about the theme?
Oh, I was definitely nervous. Ask any of my friends. I've been freaking out all day. Like, I could never be on American Idol. Like, I've been freaking out, so I would be a mess.
No, I think you'd be just fine. So I am sure we're going to see you next month. You definitely were very fabulous tonight. You have a lot of friends, a lot of fans that are here. Anything else you want to say?
If I'm in the bottom three, vote for me! Woo!
That's not going to happen, but good words to live by anyway. All right, congratulations. See you.